My name is Simon Jones, and I'm going to give you a brief overview of the Shared Parameter Inspector for Revit. This add-in will list shared parameters in Revit project, template, and family files. You can sort and filter lists of parameters in order to find duplicates and anomalies. All this information can also be exported to Excel for an additional review. If you do find parameters with duplicate names, you can use the tool to delete them. And as an alternative to the built-in export option, and if you know what you're doing, you can use the copy feature to copy the parameter definitions into the clipboard and paste them directly into shared parameter TXT files. Now let's take a look at this inside Revit. Once the tool has been installed, you'll find it under the Add-ins ribbon, and you'll find an AEC BIM Tools button, and we can select the Shared Parameters Inspector. You've got two modes. You can choose to inspect the current project, as we've just done here, and list all the parameters in this project, or we can choose a folder and pick on a couple of files and inspect those. So as you can see, we're listing the name of the file, name of the parameter, type of parameter it's GUID, how many elements it's on, and what elements they are actually on. It's just running through those. It's now added that template file we selected and the family file, and you'll see we've got a ton of information here. This can be exported out to Excel. So let's just hit Shared Parameter Export, overwrite that one, and see what this looks like in Excel. So here's the file we just written. Here you can see we've got normal sort of Excel filtering, sorting, whatever we want to do, we can do so in Excel. For example, let's switch off all the ones which don't have any elements assigned and just list these ones. Okay, that's the export in Excel. And as I mentioned, let's look for some anomalies. I've added one in, so I'm just going to put in a keyword so that we can filter on a keyword. We're going to look for parameters containing the word moment. Here we can see we've actually got three parameters called start moment dead. Two of them have a matching GUID. This one seems to be a little bit of an anomaly. And if you know what you're doing and you want to get rid of it, you can hit the delete item. But it will warn you that if it does reference any elements, that you're going to lose the data, whatever. So I'm not going to delete this one. Or if we want to take this parameter here and we haven't got it in our shared parameters file, we can use the copy command, copy it to a clipboard, come along to our shared parameters file, paste it in, save it, and if we come back into Revit, come to our shared parameters, you'll find that parameter now listed in our shared parameters. For further information, please visit the website at acbimtools.com.